Good morning, everyone. We will wait
Good
for
morning, ma'am.
5 minutes, and then we will start our yoga
Good
session.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning to one and all. Myself, Amita Mane. Uh, okay, so we are going to start the today's yoga session. Uh, Ma'am, are you there? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so shall we start?
Okay.
Okay, and instruction to all students: please switch on your cameras so that it will be easy whether you are going with yoga session or not. So please switch on your cameras and then ma'am will start the yoga session. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. You can continue.
Yes. Chalo. We will start with Three Omkar and Guru Vandana. Everyone, get in a cross leg. Get in a cross leg position. Close your eyes gently and your hands in a Dhyan Mudra. Take a deep breath and exhale. Repeat. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. We will start.
Dear all,
Omkar.
please switch on your
Take a deep
cameras.
breath. We all will say together Omkar.
Oh. Oh.
Now Prarthana, Guru Vandana. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha, Guruve Namaha. Now open your
Now
eyes.
open your eyes.
I will request everyone that mute your microphone and only on your video so that the sounds will not be entangled. Yes. Um, Now we will start with preparatory yoga abhyas. As I had shown yesterday, we will do first preparatory yoga abhyas. Get in a standing position and have distance about 2 feet, 1 or 2 feet in your legs, and raise your hands by side. One, I could see Arna only. Okay, Arna, get stand up and have distance in your both legs. Have distance in your both legs and raise your hands above. One, raise your hands above. One, inhale, exhale, bend forward, exhale, bend forward. Correct. Go down as much as you can. Now, inhale up, straighten a waist. Exhale, again, bend back like this. Bend back, push your stomach and waist somewhat forward and bend back. Then again, straight. Raise your hands above and again straight. Again, bend forward. We will repeat it twice. Bend forward. Get straight. Straight in the waist. Bend back. Push your stomach and waist bone forward and get back. Correct. Get straight. Straight in the waist. Straight in the waist. And then hands down. Relax. Again, we will do Kati Vakrasana. These are all preparatory yoga abhyas. Take your hands in a shoulder line. Kati Vakrasana. Kati Vakrasana. Left hand will be wrapping on your back and right hand will be on your left shoulder and turn to the left as much as you can. Turn to the left. Do not bend in a waist, but yes, straight and see even extreme corner by your eyes also. Even turn your neck. Get straight. Both hands in a shoulder line again. Turn to the right side. Right hand will be on your back and left hand will be on right shoulder and turn to the right. Correct. Now get straight. Both hands in a shoulder line. Side straight. We will just bend to the left side like this. Bend to the left side. Bend. 5. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Straight. Exhale to the right side. Exhale to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up and hands down. Now join your legs and we will do the same side stretch. Our hands are just near our body. Raise your right hand up, and we will bend to the left, or by sides, and bend to the left again. We will do the side stretch again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, hands down by sides. Again, left hand up, 1, and exhale to the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, hands down. Now, relax. As we had done bend, forward bend, back bend, and the side bend also. Now we will do very Sukshma Purak Halchal. That is, we will take our both hands in front, both hands straight in your front. We will turn, we will do wrist rotation. As you could see, wrist rotation to the left, both at one time. 1, 2, 3, correct. 4 and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, release your hands and take them folded at your shoulder, up and down. 1, 2, 2, down, 2. Your elbow should touch by your side. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, front and back side. Touch your elbows front. 1, 2, back. Stretch your both hands back. 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. Now we will rotate. 1, clockwise first. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will do the rotation anti-clockwise, that is backward. 1, 2, reverse. 3, correct. 4, and 5. Now relax. Unfold your both hands and let them down. Relax. Now we will do neck rotation. Take a deep breath and exhale. As I have shown yesterday, twisting and bending should not be mixed up. Take your both hands on your waist. Take your both hands on your waist. Just turn your neck to the left side. Turn your neck to the left side. Keep your neck to the left side until I count 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, see forward. Get your neck to the front side. Again, go to the left or right, whatever you have done first. Keep your neck to the right side until I count 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, straight. Now we will rotate our neck. Just tuck down your chin to the collarbone. Tuck down your chin to the collarbone. Take your left ear to the left shoulder. 2, that is, go to the left side. Again, back to the right side. And again, forward bend. Reverse to the right side. Back to the left. And forward bend. And relax. Next straight. Now relax your hands. Now we had performed Surya Namaskar also yesterday. We had done 3 Surya Namaskar, and the third Surya Namaskar I had shown you. In a 10 count, we will do this Surya Namaskar. Chalo. In a 12 count. Join your hands, join your legs. Repeat after me mantra. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Inhale. 1. For 1 count, you have to just inhale. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale 2, bend forward 3, bend forward 3. Inhale, left leg back, take your left leg back and touch your both hands on the floor. Go down. No problem if I could not see you, but do the proper postures only. Again, right leg also back, right leg back, that is Dandasana Sthiti. Go down, Ashtanga Sthiti. Ashtanga Sthiti. Touch your forehead on the floor. While inhaling, get up, 7, Sarala Hasta Bhujangasana. You have to bend back until your hands get straight in your elbow. Observe the ceiling. Sarala Hasta Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Mountain position. Adho Mukha Shvanasana. Again, Ashvasanchalan, left leg forward between your both hands. Left leg forward between your both hands. I'm taking it granted that you had yesterday observed and doing the same. Again, right leg forward in a Padahastasana Sthiti. And inhale up. Inhale, straighten your waist. And exhale down. Relax. Om Reem. Only 2 Surya Namaskar we will do. This is the second one. Om Reem Ravaye Namaha. Inhale, 1. Exhale, bend back. You are doing good. Exhale, bend forward. Exhale, bend forward. Take your left leg back. Touch your both palms on the floor. Take your left leg back. Observe the ceiling. This is the Asvashanchala Sthiti. Another leg back. Another leg back. Dandasana Sthiti. Go down. Ashtanga Sthiti. Touch your forehead to the floor. Inhale. Sarala Hasta Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Shvanasana. That is mountain position. Observe your navel. Ashvasanchalan. Left leg forward. Right leg forward. And Padahastasana Sthiti. And now Ardha Chakrasana 11. And hands down 12. Relax. Very nice. Just have walk by love. Take a deep breath and exhale. Somewhat Vishranti. Take some distance in your legs. Take some distance in your legs. Take a deep breath and exhale. Again, take a deep breath and exhale. Today, we will start with Tadasana, which is very simple one asana, which you could do just by instructing. As this is online session, it is necessary that I will observe you that whether you are doing correct or not, so that I will take very easy asanas. First one will be Tadasana. That is just we have to stretch our body upward and stand still. Now, raise your hands above. 1, raise your hands above and stretch yourself up. Stretch yourself up. Heels up. Heels up. We will count 15 to 20 seconds into this posture. This is Tadasana. This is Tadasana. Very nice, Arnav. Last 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. First heel down, then hands by side and relax. Take a deep breath and exhale. Again, take a deep breath and exhale. We will do Trikonasana variation. That is, take as much as distance in your legs, around 2 to 3 feet in your legs. 2 to 3 feet in your legs. Take your both hands in a shoulder line. Take your both hands in a shoulder line. In a shoulder line, not on your waist. In shoulder line. And now Just bend down to the left and put your palm just near your foot. Go down as much as you can. Yes, just near your foot. Foot. See forward or see upward. Anywhere you put, wherever comfortable for you. Santhashasan. Even we will hold this position for 20 seconds. Santhashasan. Do not stop your breathing anywhere. Keep your both hands in a shoulder line. Yes. It is very good posture, Arnav. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, inhale up. Get straight in the waist. Exhale, hands down and relax. Again, while inhaling, take your hands in a shoulder line. 1. Take your hands in a shoulder line. 1. And now bend to the right. Bend to the right. As we had done to the left side, same way we have to touch our palm to the floor just near our foot. Keep breathing. Do not stop your breathing anywhere. We also will keep this side for 20 seconds as we have completed 10 to 12 seconds. Last 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, and exhale, hands down. And now join your legs. Take a deep breath and exhale. Stand comfortably. Take a deep breath and exhale. Again, we will do somewhat variation of Trikonasana and then we will go for Shavasana. One more asana we will do. Here, we have to bend, we have to take the same posture, just like this before. But we have to bend our knee also. Now, take distance in your legs, 2 to 3 feet. Take distance in your legs, 2 to 3 feet. It's according to your height. Now, take your both hands in a shoulder line. Take your both hands in a shoulder line. Turn your left toe to the left side. Turn your left toe. Your legs. Turn your ankle to the left side. Turn your ankle to the left side. Correct. And your trunk is still facing forward. Your trunk is still facing forward. And now bend your knee in a 90 degree. Bend your knee into 90 degree. Which one? Left. Correct. Left. Left knee will bend in a 90 degree. Very nice. We will hold this position for 20 seconds. Try to see only forward. Do not go to the left. Last 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Straighten your knee. Straighten your knee and hands down. Turn your ankle point forward and replace your leg. Take a deep breath and exhale. Very nice. Now, again, take distance in your leg as we have to do the same from right side. Now, turn your ankle point to the right side. Turn your ankle point to the right side. Take your both hands in a shoulder line. And now bend in a 90 degree by your right knee. Correct. Right knee. If you will take proper distance in your leg, it will be very easy to being into that position at least for some seconds. Santhashasan. Do not stop your breathing. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale up. Exhale. Hands down. Turn your ankle and both legs join. Take a deep breath and exhale. Very nice. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now we will do your favorite asana, Shavasana. We will sleep on your back. And if you could manage, turn your camera to the flooring so that I could observe. As now next asanas will be in a Shenasati Shavasana. Your camera should be viewing the flooring wherever you're going to do Shavasana. Sleep on your back. Have distance in your legs, 1 to 2 feet. Even your hands are also away from the body, about 10 to 12 inches away. Put your neck aside and gently close your eyes. And gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath and exhale.
Ma'am, take a sample of this.
Take a deep breath and exhale. Santhashvasan, Shrame Jate Shavasanam. We have done this Shavasana to throw out the stress from our body, which we had by doing all asana, Surya Namaskar, and even preparatory yoga abhyas too. There were straight pressures in our body, so that we are doing this Shayanasati Shavasana to remove all the stress from our even body and mind. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Santhashvasan. Now we will complete Shayanasati Shavasana. Vibha, are you there? Vedant, then Vibha, Vinay, Vivek, Yashraj, Yuvraj. I could see only a now, so that I am taking it. Grant that you all other are follow the same. Now, yes. Now we will go for Shayanasati Shavasana, Asana Abhyas from Shayanasati. We will complete our Shavasana. Make your neck straight, hand just near your body, and join your both legs. Join your both legs. Sakshi, Saurabh, Shantanu, Rohit, RG, Pranav. I'm taking it grant that you all are doing this. As your cameras are off. Okay. Now we will go for Ekapad Uttan Padasana and Dvipad Uttan Padasana. Take your left leg up in a 90 degree. One. Take your left leg up in a 90 degree. One. Correct. Stretch your toes upward towards ceiling. Stretch your toes upward. Yes, correct. Santhashvasan, do not stop your breathing. Keep your chin down. Keep your head down. Your shoulders are relaxed. Your palms are facing to the floor. 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale down your legs on the floor. Relax your legs on your floor. Take a deep breath and exhale. We will do same Ekapad Uttan Padasana by right leg too. While inhaling, right leg up. 1. While inhaling, right leg up. We will also keep this posture for the same time which we had done for left leg. Santhashvasan, chin down, head down, shoulder relaxed. Put your palms on the floor, give pressure on them so that you could steadily be into this posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, go down, your leg relaxed on the floor. Relax. Take a deep breath and exhale. Both legs join, both legs join. Now, inhale, both legs up at the same time. 1, inhale, 1, both legs up. Now, also stretch your toes towards ceiling. Stretch your toes towards ceiling. Santhal Shwasan. Do not skip or do not stop your breathing anywhere. Keep relaxed your stomach. Keep relaxed your shoulders. 5. If you could not hold the posture, go down and again take it. Again do it. Again and again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, both legs down. Exhale, both legs down. Relax. Take a deep breath. Very good. Very nice. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now same Ekapad Uttan Padasana, Dvipad Uttan Padasana we will do. But in our first attempt or in our first round, we had stretch our toes upward towards ceiling. Now we will stretch our heels upward ceiling so that ligaments or the Paschim Bhag of our body, it will be stretched up. Okay. Now with our left leg, inhaling up, left leg up, 1, take it in a 90-degree up towards ceiling, and now stretch your heels up. Stretch your heels up, heel side will be to the ceiling. Yes, correct. You will feel that the backside of your legs, it got stretched. The ligaments and all the veins. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Exhale down. Relax. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now, with the right leg, we will do the same. Inhale, right leg up. 1. Right leg up. Now, stretch your heel upward. Stretch your heels up, heel upward. Correct. Santhal Shwasan. Do not stop your breathing anywhere. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Keep your chin and head down. Give pressure on your both palms so that you could steadily be into this posture. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Get down your legs on the floor. Relax. You're trying your best and it is very satisfactory. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. We will do Dvipaduttan Padasana. That is same thing by our both legs at one time, at the same time. Now, take your both legs up. 1, while inhaling. 1, both legs up. Now, stretch your heels up. Stretch your heels up. Your waist, your bums are still on the floor. Do not lift up your bums or waist. Yes. Now, stretch your heels up. Very short span, we will hold this asana. Santhal Shwasan. Relax your stomach muscles, relax your shoulders down, head and chin down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Get your legs down. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath and exhale. Again, take a deep breath and exhale. Santhal Shwasan, Vishranti. Relaxation we will do. Have distance in your legs. Both legs have the distance, wherever you will feel satisfaction, wherever you will feel comfortable. Shrame Jate Shavasanam. Shavasan, we are doing to rid of all stress which we have got by doing this previous yoga abhyas. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. We will leave the Shavasana. Make your neck straight. Your hands just near your body. Both legs join. Both legs join. And turn to the left or right side and get in a sitting position. Turn to the left or the right side and get in the sitting position. Get in a sitting position. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Lakshmi, Lishika, Maithili, Maloji Rao, Mamta, Mukesh, Namita, Nandita, Neeraj, Panduranga, Pradnya, Praji. I am taking your name for that all I am trying. I want to see all of you. Your videos should be on and not off. Everyone's video should be on, and only microphone should be off, so that I could observe that how the way you are doing. Whether they are correct, you are correct or not. Only I could see that is a now. But okay, now we will follow with pranayam. We will follow with pranayam and omkar. I'm taking it grant that you are following the same, whatever I am telling you. Now we will go for pranayam. In the pranayam, yesterday we just talked about it, that there are two nostrils, obviously, left nostril and right nostril. Left nostril is Chandra Nadi and right nostril is a Surya Nadi. And now we will follow left nostril breathing and right nostril breathing. Only left nostril breathing and only right nostril breathing, that is. And for that, we have to learn first this Pranav Mudra. What is Pranav Mudra? The mudra which will help to open and close our nostril, like this. Observe. The way I am closing and opening my nostrils, that is, in this mudra, it is possible for long time, so that this mudra is there. Or otherwise, we may use this both hands like this, or anything like this, anything. But the Pranav Mudra is one and unique way to do pranayam for long time, even in a relaxed position, in a relaxed manner with your hands also. Even your hand will also not get tired by doing this pranayam for half an hour in a day. So that this Pranav Mudra is designed to close and open our nostrils. Now, I am taking it grant that you are all doing the same which I am telling you, which I am instructing you. First, observe, we have to just inhale and exhale with the left nostril. For that, we have to close our right nostril with our right thumb. As we have to do Pranav Mudra with our right hand only. We are closing our right nostril with our thumb. And now we will just inhale and exhale with our left nostril. Like that. Now you all will do the same. Chalo, close your right nostril. Inhale with left. Exhale with left. Again, inhale with left. Exhale with left. Inhale with left. Same nostril, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale with left. And exhale with left. Complete exhale. After Re Chakra, we will open our nostril. Open your right nostril which we have closed. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now we will do breathing with only right nostril. Now we will close our left nostril with the fourth finger. This is our Pranav Mudra, and we will close our nostril, that is left nostril, with our fourth finger, ring finger, we may say. Now, inhale with your right nostril, exhale right. Inhale with right, exhale with right. Inhale with right, exhale with right. Repeat. Inhale, exhale. We are doing breathing with only right nostril. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now relax. Both nostrils are open. Both nostrils are open. Now we will do the breathing. Obviously, normally we will do the breathing, but please try to follow the instructions. That is, when I will say inhale, just inhale deep with your both nostrils. And when I will say exhale, just complete exhale till the last drop or the last carbon dioxide in your lungs. Obviously, though it is not very possible by technically, but still, you have to squeeze your stomach and exhale completely. Okay? We will start breathing with the both nostril. We will start breathing with the both nostril. After this, we will complete our session and we'll do Omkar 11 times. As we have started session with 3 Omkar and Guru Vandana, we will complete our session with one Omkar Prarthana, which is of only 2 lines and 11 Omkar. But before that, we have to complete this pranaya. Both hands are in a Dhyana Mudra. Both hands in a Dhyana Mudra. Both hands are dropped down on your laps. Being straight in your posture, neck straight, and your eyes are gently closed. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Take a deep breath and exhale. Now, we will do this breathing in a number. In number, that is up to 4 count, you have to just inhale, and then up to 5 count, you have to just up to 4 count again, you have to just exhale. Now observe that I will say inhale 2, 3, 4. You have to just inhale, and then when I will say exhale 2, 3, 4, you have to just exhale till 4 count. Hai exhale till 4 count. Even you have to deep inhale and exhale. You have to just squeeze your stomach and exhale properly. Exhale totally. We will start deep breathe with our both nostrils. We will take count. Take a deep breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Just again, rearrange your posture that is straight. Neck straight, your back straight. Both hands in a Gnan Mudra, obviously. Your posture is straight, your neck is straight. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. Take a deep breath and slowly exhale. We will do Santhashvasan first. Both hands on your laps. Both hands in a Jnana Mudra. Posture straight, neck straight. Now, we will complete our today's session. We will complete our today's session with Omkar Prarthana and 11 time Omkar. So, we will start. You repeat after me, Prarthana. I'm taking it granted that you are in a sitting position, in a cross feet. Both hands are in a Gnan Mudra. They are dropped down on your laps in a relaxed manner. Your posture is straight. Your neck is straight. And your eyes are gently closed. Your mind is set. And whatever coming in your head and brain and your mind, you have to ignore it and just concentrate on your breathing or on the Prarthana and Omkar. We will start. Repeat after me. Only Prarthana you have to repeat after me, and then 11 Omkar we will say together. Omkaram bindu sayuktam Nityam dhyayanti yoginah Kamadam mokshadam chaiva Omkaraya namo namaha. Now we will start chanting Omkara. Before every Omkar, we have to take deep breath so that we can say it properly up till last Makar, that is Om. Chalo, we will start. Take a deep breath.
Yes, ma'am. They can ask.
Yes.
Hello, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the last 5 minutes.
No, ma'am.
Those who are really enjoying this yoga, Atharva, Shreyas, Mukesh. Do you have any doubts?
No, I don't think that anybody has doubt.
Okay. Arnav.
Yes, Arnav, you had done it very nicely,
Yes,
but
yes.
only yes, Arnav done it very nicely. Good job.
Arnav, Shreyas, and Atharva, Mukesh. These four
Yes,
people are enjoying this yoga session.
yes,
And
yes,
definitely they will get the benefit of this yoga.
yes. Obviously, obviously.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Because
Yes,
it is very difficult to conduct the yoga session in online mode, but you are conducting this yoga session very good. Yes.
yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you all students. So next session will start at 11 o'clock. Okay. So you can take a break of this 10 to 15 minutes, and on same link you have to join the next session, and next session is the tricks in mathematics. Okay. So don't left the meeting. After 15 minutes, it's at 11 o'clock, join the same link. Okay. Or continue on the same link. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. You can left now.